Dr. Pepe. I'm the very proud principal here at Nelson Elementary. And again, this is one of our favorite events because we get to showcase the best of the best students who are doing some really wonderful things for our Nelson community. And this month's word of the day is contentment. And I think that fits perfectly with the holiday season as we're doing acts of service for each other, as we're receiving gifts and as we're giving gifts to one another. We need to be content with what we're receiving and what we're giving too. So I just want to say thank you for raising such amazing Nelson Eagles. We are so proud of them, and what you're doing at home is incredible. So thank you so much for your support.
Thank you all for coming. Awesome. We are very excited to have you all back and be able to be part of this.
Lucas earned it. He's the Eagle of the Month because he is one of the most easygoing and happy kids in my class. He's always willing to help out and doesn't show that he's ever discouraged or let down if things don't go his way. Frank has earned this award by truly being happy with any situation he is put in. He shows up every day happy, no matter his circumstances or what happens at school throughout the day. Frank is a student who I still have not heard complain once this year. I appreciate Frank's laid back and happy attitude in our classroom. Jaden earned it because Jaden is a hard worker in class and is respectful to his peers and teachers. He shows contentment in class by being grateful for the progress he has already made and has a positive attitude that allows him to make even more growth. Silvana shows contentment by coming in each day with a smile on her face, ready for the day. She is a joy to have in class. She is. Being content is learning to be okay with what you have, but more so, Giselle is grateful for what she has. That doesn't keep her from reaching for the stars. She is always working to show her best ability. Giselle is thankful for her friends, education, and family. We value the contentment Giselle displays, and we are thankful to have her in our class.
It's a pleasure to have her in our class. And Elijah Scott in Ms. Whitcomb's class. Elijah is a very sweet and happy young man. He always says good morning and gives a very sweet hug. Elijah shows compassion and is gentle toward all that he meets. Is always sweet, quiet, and content with whatever comes her way. Valerie is always smiling, helpful, and happy to be at school. Dominic is always content with whatever we are doing. He makes the best of all situations and approaches them with a good attitude. No matter what. Awesome job, Juliana. Mari shows contentment in class by always being grateful for what she has. She always uses her manners to say please and thank you for she is given and earned something. When another student does something well or earns something, Mari isn't jealous but congratulates the student. Awesome job. Shows that she is content daily. She is happy with her achievements, which shows in her positive and happy attitude. Joanna is accepting of others regardless of their differences, choosing to show kindness and willingness to help them. She is a great example of contentment.
Addison always makes the best of every situation, even when she faces challenges. She is constantly smiling and displaying contentment. We can all learn from Addison's positivity.
Contentment every day. He is happy to share with and help others. He does not complain when he is not given something other students receive or when he's not called on. He's a great student to have in class.
Has a calm and happy demeanor in class no matter what seems to be going on. She does not complain when things do not go her way, and she appears to appreciate all she has. Kylie has earned this award for contentment. She is always happy and never complains. Xander, no matter what is going on in class, I can always count on you to do what you are supposed to do and go with the flow. Thank you. Colton has worked hard to show contentment with his learning environment. Kara never complains and is content with everything. Alexis is very content. She never complains and always has a positive attitude. Lisa Desiree shows contentment by going with the flow when there are changes and being happy no matter what the situation. Sarah shows contentment every day with her positive attitude at school. Sarah is always happy to learn. Sebastian Dubé shows contentment by being adaptable and flexible. He will go with the flow without questioning or complaining. Zoe is content with what she has. She shows gratitude towards her teachers and her peers by being an active listener and is always willing to lend a helping hand. Simon demonstrates contentment with those around him. He always comes into class with a smile on his face and a happy-go-lucky attitude. Crystal comes to class well prepared. She often encourages others and never complains or grumbles. She is content with what she has and never compares what she has with others. Jaden is such a grateful young man. He appreciates the opportunity to learn every day and he never